Hi, welcome to Alpha Digital Recommends YouTube channel. We are here with another digital video. We make daily top 5 best products videos for you. So if you did not subscribe our channel yet, go down below and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you cannot miss any important video. If you are looking for a camera and want to know which is best in 2020, in this video we have a list of top 5 best cameras in market today. From better to best. So let's get into it. Number 5. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV.
The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is an outstanding camera for photographers who demand high-quality still images, as well as filmmakers looking for pro-level video capture. It has a new 30.4 megapixel full-frame sensor, providing plenty of resolution for demanding situations, from professional portraits to wildlife photography. The updated 61-point autofocus system covers up to 24% more of the frame and includes face detection. 4K DCI video ensures that the camera meets the highest standards for video quality as well. The camera's raw dynamic range has been significantly improved over previous 5D models. We also like the new touchscreen, which adds useful features such as tap to focus. Canon's dual-pixel autofocus provides reliable face detection and subject tracking in live view, while delivering the most accurate and natural-looking autofocus we've seen when shooting video. While the 4K video quality is excellent, the 4K recording is limited to motion JPEG format, which requires large, fast memory cards and may limit recording time. Overall, the Canon 5D Mark IV is a DSLR that will meet the needs of pros and enthusiasts who require high-quality images, excellent video, and a great user interface.
Number 4. Canon EOS R.
The EOS R is Canon's first full-frame mirrorless camera, and the first to be built around the all-new RF mount. The R incorporates a 30.3 megapixel CMOS sensor, similar to the one used in the EOS 5D Mark IV. The sensor supports dual-pixel CMOS autofocus and 4K video recording at up to 30p. Dual-pixel CMOS autofocus covers a significant portion of the image area and results in snappy, accurate focus acquisition. When it comes to video, the EOS R's 4K footage is very detailed. Full-width, Full HD video capture is also available at up to 60p. Despite the EOS R's compact form factor, it includes a high-resolution electronic viewfinder and tilting, touch-sensitive rear screen. The screen can also be used to place the desired autofocus point by touch, as well as to scroll through and zoom into captured images. The EOS R's user interface incorporates aspects of Canon's entry-level and mid-range DSLRs, but with a couple of unique elements thrown in. There's no exposure mode dial for one thing, and an all-new multifunction bar can be customized to fulfill a variety of different roles.
Number 3. Nikon D850. Number 2. Nikon D3500.
The Nikon D3500 is fun to use and simple to operate. Its 24.2 megapixel format allows you to capture high-quality images effortlessly. A light and balanced body lets you take it with you wherever you go. With continuous shooting of 5 frames per second, in combination with its 11-point focusing system, the D3500 captures moving images with ease. The Bluetooth connectivity lets you use your smart device as a remote trigger to capture the images, and then automatically transfers those images from the camera to your phone. The ISO range of up to 25,600 captures beautiful images throughout the day. Record 1080p high-definition video by activating the live view mode and pressing the record button. Capture your best moments with the Nikon D3500.
Number 1. Sony A6000.
This is the Sony A6000 mirrorless camera. The Sony A6000 is the successor to the very popular Sony Alpha NEX6. It sits just above the Sony A5100 in the company's mirrorless lineup. In fact, the A6000 and the A5100 are extremely similar, the biggest difference being the A6000's electric viewfinder and more extensive external controls missing from the cheaper A5100. The A6000 offers a 24.3 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Sony's Bions X image processor. The biggest advancement over its predecessor is the vastly improved hybrid autofocus system featuring 25 contrast detect and 179 phase detect points that cover almost the entire frame. In fact, we found the A6000 to be class-leading when it comes to autofocus speed and accuracy in a large sensor mirrorless camera. The camera itself handles well with ample customizable buttons and click wheels for solid control, plus a quick menu. It offers a burst rate of 11 frames per second with subject tracking, full HD video capture at 1080 60p and 24p with clean HDMI output and Wi-Fi connectivity as well as NFC. Overall, this is an extremely well-rounded camera that offers class-leading features for a very reasonable price point.